ISM Raceway, one of the small tracks at Phoenix, Arizona. Drivers are ready to race at this track. The leader is Kyle Larson for today with Brad Keselowski right next to him. This is a really good track. The fans are ready to see this race. And yeah. So here is the starting lineup for today. So Kyle Larson in the pole sitter with Brad Keselowski right in second place. Row 2 is Chase Elliott with Eric Almirola in fourth place. Row 3 is Joe Logano and Kevin Harvick. Row 4 is William Byron and Jimmy Johnson. Row 5 is Jimmy McMurray and Kurt Busch. Row 6 is Daniel Suarez and Martin Truex Jr. Row 7 is Jimmy Johnson and Ryan Blaney. Row 8 is Kyle Busch and Austin Dillon. The drivers are ready to race. The fans are ready to race. This is an afternoon race at this track. 10 laps at this Phoenix, Arizona track. The drivers are ready to race, and here we go, green. We're back, and green flag in the air. This is season 1, race 3. We're in lap 3. And oh no! It's William Byron in the 24 car, spins out. I think there's a pop tire. There's the pop tire. What a wreck. What an intense wreck. We'll be right back after this cleanup, and Will and Byron will go into the garage. I think his pop tire, he got some damage. We're back after the cleanup. The clean is all done, and green flag back in the air. 2 more laps, 3 more laps to go. One more lap to go. Checkered flag in the air. Checkered flag. Who's gonna win at this track? Kyle Larson or Brad Keselowski? Who's gonna win? Here they come. We're back, and oh no, Brad Keselowski, here they come! Here they come to the checkered flag. Oh, here they come! Oh, Chase Elliott! Chase Elliott crashes! Kyle Larson wins! What a wreck! What a wreck! Kyle Larson wins today's race. Big wreck behind them. There's Kyle Larson car right there. Big wreck. Big wreck. Well, that's it for today's race, and here are the people's positions today. Here's everybody who won their places. That's it for today's race at ISM Speedway, Phoenix, Arizona. Kyle Larson will win. Well, that's it for Season 1, Race 3. We will see you next time. Next race is at Miami. Homestead, Miami. Bye.